MK, let's assume I've forgotten. MKDIR, then what follows it? The name of the directory. Fine. According to the question, you said the directory should have a space. So let's create one. Give me one. GIZ. I'm not sure I'm not having GIZ there. Check, please. It's not here, right? Okay, I don't have GIZ. GIZ with space. What's that? GIZ class. Now, before I press enter key, what do you think this one will create? So, it's going to create two different directories. It's going to create two different directories. So, even that answer to that question, you should be able to now think of it. Okay, let's say I've created this. Oh, there's no. Okay, they've switched it now. Let's wait a little bit for that so that you can see the screen. I want to get the question again. Thank you. Okay, it's coming up. So it says switch to what? That has space. That's number what? Okay. PWD command. Is it this one? Under PWD command.
Which question?
Yes, I want to get the question. Question number what?
Which question?
5.
Number 5.
Yes, CD command. Under CD command.
Yeah.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Under CD command. Okay. How can you switch to a directory with a space in its name? Now, is it possible for us to have a directory with a space in its name?
Yes.
Okay. How?
As we are making the directory, we are going to put it.
Okay.
So when we put that code before the gear said and we put after, it's going to create the directory with space.
Just like what we did yesterday when we were cutting. Sorry, when we were touching. Do you remember? Codes. No, we created this GIZ arcane class. One without code, one with code. What happened with the one with coded? It all came as a single name. What happened to the one we touched without codes? It created 3 different files. So now, the answer to that your question, you still want to answer it. What's not the answer? How can you switch? That's to change directory. Yes, how do you now do that? You've answered it already. You've answered it already. Oh yeah, I'm waiting for you, sir.
I did directory. I will say my directory.
No, the directory you are changing to, it has space in it. It has space. For instance, GIZ class. How did you create that GIZ class as a single directory with code? So how will you now switch back?
Double dots. Will take you back.
Double dot slash. Take me back.
Are you sure?
No clash.
No, you are. Okay, let's get this. Let me list this. You can see that GIZ separate. Where is this?
Oh, the
GIZ separate and I created another one.
you just did it now.
Yes, class. Okay, this class. 2 different directions now. But for us to make that apple as a single file, you said we should use this. Then I will now use GIZ class.
Coach.
Is that correct? So this one is going to give us as a single directory. So let's list it. Where is the ID? Where is it? Okay, under GIZ. So how do we now change directory to that? Sir?
You still put your code.
So with what? GIZ what's it called? Class, right?
Yeah.
Class. Are we inside of it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are we inside?
Yeah.
So the question now is, how can you switch back? Is that the question? How can you change directory? Since it's under directory, what they mean is, how can you change directory back? So who can tell us the answer?
Dot.
So
If you want to go to the root, dot slash dot.
exactly. That means if you are already inside a directory, inside directory, you can use. Okay, let's do something. Let me clear the screen. Let's test this. It's going to work. We're ready at all. Hope that one has answered the question. That's answered the question. Be careful. It's more than
Because you are not, you didn't enter a directory to another directory. That's why this one will just go straight to.
Yes.
Assuming you enter into a directory and you enter into another directory, then we only first of all take you to the next
directory. That's the double double dot.
Yeah.
We take you out. It's just a step backward.
Yeah, a step back.
But this one is just a single
Yeah.
directory, just that it has space in between the name. So don't be confused. Is that clear? Don't be confused. Any other question?
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
A single quote and a double quote, will you give it?
Of course.
To give it?
Yes. Should we try it?
Yes.
Make directory. Sorry. Bless you. Make directory GIZ2. Yes. GIZ plus 2. Right? Okay, I didn't use the double. Let me use the double. Double and double. Right?
Yes.
Okay. GIZ2. LS. Sorry, LS. As in, it's still under it. So either you use double or you use single. The same thing happens in Python. If you write Python code, either you use single or you use double. But just make sure you stick to one. And it has some conditions, situation whereby you must use single. You have no choice. You have no choice. If you have to quote inside a string, you have to use double outside, single inside. You have no choice. You cannot use single outside and use double inside. So have I answered the question? I think I was trying to answer another question. Somebody was saying something came to my mind that I want to treat. See about this CD of the team. So many questions I've made to escape my mind. Okay, maybe if I remember, I'll go back to it. So any other question based on the assignment? You're welcome, brother.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
That's
The assignment. That CD
CD flag slash.
Yes, I remember what I wanted to
Let's treat that
discuss.
one first.
No, I'll treat you up first.
So you don't forget.
So CD slash, right?
Yeah.
Let's enter
CD slash.
CD slash like this.
Yeah, that's right.
That's all.
It changes the whole
To
to slash.
yes.
So
What is
the
this slash?
difference?
What is that slash do? Are you sure it's the root? Are you sure? How sure are you? Sure, okay. Sure. Slash root.
I know that.
slash.
Yes.
What is showing now?
Yes, now it's different from this.
So I want to know the difference. I know that first one is whole. But the second one, that's like I was trying to enter something. You tell me the code is not correct or whatever.
Without the first slash.
Yeah,
Yes.
that flag
Yes.
it was prompting.
Yes.
But the second one I can access.
Of course. PWD. No. Look at what you have. Look at what you have. Thank God I'm using. I have what you guys does not have. What is it? This.
Double.
That's why I say I have what you guys does not have.
No, I think I do have it.
Huh?
I do have it.
You have it?
I can do that. It's two. You are working on two.
Yes, I didn't open two different terminals. It's still on the same terminal.
Because of your.
Naga. Yes, sir.
So I want to show you how to proceed or period.
Okay, the VTX is not. Let me quickly activate it. Just in case I will explain to you. Just in case it's good.
I saw the steps on how to follow it on
The okay, hey, just F2 or delete. Some system will use F2, some will use delete. Let's see what this one will use. Okay, it's not even using any one of them. Please help me power it off. Yes. So I'll try F10 and delete. Okay, let me power it on back. Okay. Delete. F9. Is it powered? Okay, yes, okay. Okay, good. So most of those systems, they are not stick to a particular key to set up.